Experiencing volume control problems with your Rogers or Xfinity remote? Let's get it sorted. First, understand that Rogers and Xfinity are separate providers, but their remotes use similar IR technology. Most volume issues arise from incorrect programming. The remotes use infrared signals to communicate with your TV or soundbar. Start by checking these common culprits. Are the batteries fresh? Is there a clear line of sight between the remote and your TV or soundbar? Is the remote programmed to the correct device? For a quick fix, try the auto search programming feature in your Xfinity or Rogers app, or the manual code entry method. A common solution is to switch to A mode for soundbar control. This video will provide step-by-step instructions for programming your remote to control your TV or soundbar audio. Now, let's dive into programming. Use the Xfinity My Account app or the Rogers Ignite TV app for guided setup, which has a 90% success rate. Alternatively, manually enter the setup code for your TV or soundbar, which can be found on Xfinity's website or Rogers support pages. If the volume is still not working, try these tips. Ensure your HDMI cable is connected to the ARC port if applicable and is correctly configured to enable HDMI CEC for automatic volume syncing. If still having issues with programming manually, ensure that your remote is a newer version such as the XR16 or newer, as outdated remotes have been known to be incompatible. A common fix is using universal codes such as Vizio TV 111758. For advanced users, consider using voice commands via Alexa or Google Home, which may bypass remote volume control. If problems persist, contact Xfinity or Rogers support. Future remotes will likely use Bluetooth, making programming easier and more reliable.